So here's my truss laid out, and to test it, I will be putting it sideways like this, and I will be attaching weight to this bolt, this bolt I'll be attaching weight to, and the weight is just gonna be my backpack on a string because I don't really have like any kind of weights. I can't weigh it because I don't have a scale either. But if it's not heavy enough to break it, then I'll just add more stuff into my backpack. Each popsicle stick I measured to be 3.75 or 0.375 feet long. It was about 4.5 inches. And then I measured this length to be 0.325 feet long. And that's what I used for the measurements in my calculations for the internal forces. My highest internal force was DE, which is here, this one. This one should be the first one to break. If it's not this one, it will probably be either this one or there's a couple of others that are pretty high, but it should be either this one or this one. When I'm testing it, I'm gonna be holding it split between these two tables. I'm gonna be holding down this side with my hand, and then this side is just resting on this part of the table because this side is the pin and this side is the roller. So it'll be able to, if need be, move in the X direction. My backpack will be on a string here. I'm gonna start by holding the bag and then see if my backpack is heavy enough to break my truss. Also, how I made my truss, I drilled holes in popsicle sticks on both ends of them, and then I just put a little screw through the hole and then tightened it with a bolt and then used a ratchet to make sure the bolt doesn't slip. So now I'm going to actually tie the backpack and the string together because it keeps slipping off. So I need more weight because it's not breaking. I'm also having to hold the other side still because it keeps slipping too much. So I'm just using my leg to lower the backpack down while I hold this up. Oh. Broke. So this one was the one that broke, which is what we predicted. This is where it was being held up by. So yeah, this one was the one that broke first. I think a couple of them started to crack too, which kind of makes sense because the backpack was rocking, and the bridge was like swaying back and forth. So it would definitely be better to have two of these with a little road connecting in between. Would probably work a little bit better.